like that. He was a cruiser and he passed me already, but he still gave me the jiu-jitsu sign. McLaren. But on that side is where all the cops are at, so we're gonna pass. We're gonna pass the McLaren. Bentley. Carrera 4S, I think. Is that a 4 or a 9? 9S? Look at this guy behind me tailgating me. Come on, man. Drive the speed limit. That is one ugly car. Never mind, he's leaving. Ducati, Ferrari. Ooh, M5. Calling card. An M5. I'm told is one of the fastest. Should I? I don't know. Can't decide. Nah, I'm gonna leave it in rain. No need to act foolish. I did not feel that. I always get scared of the race mode because I have to. I'm just scared. I forget that I'm supposed to play with it. Like I'm supposed to get used to it because it jerks. I'm usually on rain. M5's on the list. M5 and an M6 are both on the list. They need to get owned. Back to rain mode. There's no way in hell I'm gonna race a Camry. All right. Just for you guys wondering. Yeah, he's speeding and stuff, but I don't care. No way in hell am I riding or racing a Camry. That's just sad. But that I can mess with. Electra! Nope, don't want you. Yeah, I want the Lambo. F all you guys. What the hell are you doing, dog? Even if we could just look at the Lambo, I'm cool with that. Because the idea is to chase it down. What type of Lambo is that? I don't know. I'll have to Google everything, man. It's not a Huracan, is it? I don't think it is. So slow though. Yeah, he's not gonna do anything. Yeah, I don't think the Lambo's gonna do anything, but it's still fun. Caught up to it, right? That's gotta count for something. Never be in front of the car you want. Always be behind it. I always make this mistake. I never learn. I don't see it. Yeah, I don't see it anymore. I know it's there, I just can't find it. Yeah, I'm gonna call it off. At least we caught up to it, that's what matters. Because the catching part is hard because there's a lot of traffic. You gotta be safe. Time to continue our booty hunt. Big booty hunt. I wanna get behind it. Driving 10 and 2 in a Lamborghini on the steering wheel. Ain't no way he finna clown. Ain't no way. It's like it's his dad's and he needs to make sure it stays in immaculate condition. They're loud, but they're zooming. Let's see if they hate me or not. Ooh, is that a Dodge Viper? I've never seen a Dodge Viper. Or I've never had fun with a Dodge Viper. I always try to chase him down, but I can never get to him. 2 R6s, I guess. Old one, new one, and we got a Ninja something. You gotta be kidding me, dog. At least sport mode. To stay in the back. Just for the hell of it, race mode. I think that's a new R6, that's an old R6. Either way, they're both gonna get smoked. So S1000RR versus a new R6 and an old R6. In race mode. And they're taking pictures. Take pictures of me! I'm not even gonna rev it. I'm not even gonna rev it. I'm not even gonna rev it. not even gonna rev it. This time I was a little mean. Just a little bit. Just a little bit mean. Not a lot, just a little bit. But I'm gonna put her in sport because her race is too fast. That was fun. But no more. I'm pushing my luck. What up, old lady? Now you're asking why I didn't go? It doesn't really make sense. There are sixes, they're having fun. I already had my little fun with them. Now he's just making fun of them. Like, it's not even like funny anymore. It's like I'm mocking them. But still fast, still nice. Only thing I would say is wear gear. Small little clip. Hope you guys enjoyed. S1000RR, new R6, old R6, and yeah, let them pass by. Just remember to subscribe only because you love me. This is Saying Our Sexy out of here. And until next time, peace out. Woo!